right now. You are now tuned in. Pen Crispy. I'm still going.
These girls want my image like a shortage in their TV. Better get that cable, cause I'ma be direct. I'm way over your head like a chain put on your neck. And I'm putting on the
always quiet cause they sour me. And the mob going up cause they go hard for me. Yeah, the only way is up, y'all gon' fall with me.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, CrySTYLE Beauty. If my face is not familiar to you and you're not a subscriber, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a thing. Also, give this video a big thumbs up before we get started. Just brushing my hair out. Make sure there's no knots, tangles, anything. All right. Alright, so we're going to part our hair down the middle and try to make it as straight as possible. Alright, so we have this triangular section right here. I'm going to just tie it away with the rubber band. And then I'm going to take this part and part it a little bit wider. Just because we're making a twist right here. We're doing a flat twist. Okay. So like that. We're going to tie these together just to get them out the way. So now we're going to make space buns. Where's my brush? No, they're not going to be like regular space buns. We're going to do some sections in here too. And wash it out. Push some of this back. And then we're going to tie it with the rubber band. So we take another section and part it diagonally as well. Alright, so now I'm going to just flat twist this section up front. I'm going to flat twist it forward. Okay, so I'm done flat twisting it, and now I'm just going to take this section down, and the parting should still be there, so I'm going to split it and start flat twisting them separately now. So it's still going to be connected to the middle braid, but now I'm just going to take that side and then pick up a section here, start flat twisting it like that. And then just twist it all the way down. And we are going to put some beads at the end of these, so that looks a lot of bright. And then take this section, do the same thing, flat twist this, flat twist it down. Twist it all the way down to the end. Hope you guys can see it. Hopefully I'm not too far away. Alright, so now for the space buns. These two sections will be like together, so I'm going to twist those together like that. It doesn't matter if your parting is not straight in the back. And then do the same thing to the other side. Alright, so I got 2 ponytails. Alright, so we're going to start teasing our hair to make the buns a lot bigger and full. You can add weave if you don't like teasing your hair. And then just wrap it into a bun. And just pull it apart. Alright, so now I'm going to take these little clamps and put them on the rubber bands. So now we're going to add these beads that I got. I got those from AliExpress. Okay, so I have the beads on. I'm just going to take the bottom one and secure it with the rubber band. And we're going to do the same colors for both sides. Alright, so I'm just twisting this side back up. My camera died on me. Look at my eyelashes. Oh my god. I hate the black eyelash glue. I hate it. It does not like It just did not stick to my like eyelashes. It doesn't last long. Okay, so we're gonna put the red one on first. The beige one. And then the brown one. Ah. Alright, so that is all for this hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this hair look. If you did, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And also turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a thing. Thank you guys again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
These girls want my image like a shortage in their TV. Better get that cable, cause I'ma be direct. I'm way over your head like a chain put on your neck. And I'm putting on the
Always quiet.